Cutting-edge grass grooming tech meets the 24V iON Plus series with the 48-volt cordless lawnmower from sunjoe. Powered by the exclusive iON Plus lithium-ion battery system, sunjoe includes two 24-volt 4-amp-hour lithium-ion batteries for no-fade power plus performance, and up to 25 minutes of rechargeable runtime with zero carbon emissions for cleaner air. Sunjoe's innovative motor design with an 1100-watt brushless input motor and 900-watt brushless output motor is engineered for efficiency, providing you with maximum motor performance and extended motor life to keep your cordless mower running stronger, longer. The durable steel blade mows a path 20 inches wide in a single pass for a crisp, clean cut every time. And you can quickly customize the length of your lawn to your liking with the convenient 7-position height adjustment lever for the perfect, precise cut every time. Sunjoe also includes a 13.2-gallon grass bag to collect clippings and prevent thatch buildup on your lawn. And the built-in grass indicator window always lets you know when it's time to empty the collection bag. And when the work is done, the included dual-port charger quickly powers up 2 batteries at once in under 2 hours. So you're recharged, ready for your next cut. So cut the cord and mow with Joe for the yard that's the envy of the entire neighborhood with the 48-volt iON Plus cordless lawnmower from sunjoe. Get equipped.